Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Minecraft. If it says an error, failed to log in invalid session, try restarting your game. Alright? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just go ahead and open up your command prompt and here in the search bar. Alright, just type in CMD and make sure to click on Run as Administrator. There'll be a pop-up. Just click on Yes. Now in here, just type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Hit on enter. Now wait for it to load. Now once done, go ahead and type in ipconfig space /release. Okay, hit enter. Now once done, type in ipconfig space /renew. Hit on enter and wait for the process to finish. Now once that's done, just type in netsh space winsock space reset. Hit on enter. And after that, just type in netsh space int space IP space reset. Hit on enter. Now once done, just type in exit. Then go ahead and restart your computer and launch Minecraft again. And it should work now. Now if that still won't work, go ahead and open up your control panel. Okay. Look for Network and Sharing Center. Just click on it. Now in here, click on Change Adapter Settings. Okay. Double click on the network that you're currently using. Double click. Click on Properties. Go ahead and locate Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP IPv4. Double click on it and this one will open. Make sure that it is set to obtain an IP address automatically. And under that, make sure that you select use the following DNS server addresses. All right. Now try this one, 8.8.8.8 and alternate 8.8.4.4. Now this one doesn't work. Erase it. Try 1.1.1.1. And the alternate is 1.0.0.1. This one is from Cloudflare, all right? 8.8 is from Google. Now, once that's done, just hit on OK. Launch the game again, and it should work now. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.